Hello, doctor. Hello, good evening. How can I help you, young lady? My stomach is big after eating. You felt bloated after eating. Oh, bloated. Anything I cannot. You have trouble swallowing. Yes, trouble swallowing. My nose is and difficult to. You have a stuffy nose and can't breathe well. Yeah, stuffy nose and can't breathe well. You will be admitted in the hospital for 50 days. No. I'm feeling better now. Thank you, doctor. Can I go to washroom, please? No! Ma'am, may I go to the bathroom? Of course, dear. Go as many times as you need. Thank you.
Oh, yes!
May I go too? It's better. Run fast. Class, remember, can is about ability. I lift that chair, can I lift that table, and extra. Ma'am, may I watch your phone? Go sit there. Don't even think of using my phone. Go! Nice. But that's a terrible idea. Hit that bell button pick also you never miss a video. Aarvi, what's wrong with this milk? It smells bad.
Ew.
The milk is spoiled. Don't drink it, Lily. What about this yogurt? This yogurt is moldy and expired. It's not good anymore. Oh no, how about this orange? It's rotten. You shouldn't eat it. Poor apple. It is bad too. Yes, the apple is bruised and a little moldy. What I will eat now? Let's order pizza. Pizza? I'm going to get my phone. Haha, I win. Ow! Ouch! I know you did it purposefully, not accidentally. What? What do accidentally and purposefully mean? Okay, listen. Accidentally means a mistake. Like when you want to throw the ball softly, but it goes super fast like a rocket. Yeah, that sounds like me. And purposefully means you did it on purpose. Like you tried to hit me on the head. No, I didn't mean to hit you hard. It was totally accidentally. Sorry. Okay, just be careful next time. Whatever. Let's keep playing. Lily! Now that it's purposefully. Lily! Aarvi, let's play hide and seek. You hide, I'll seek. Okay. But no peeking, okay? Deal. I'm just here to watch you both. 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I go. Where could Aarvi be hiding? Idea. Are you thirsty? Here we go. Thank you, my sweet Lily. So, Mom, you know Aarvi's favorite hiding spot, right? Of course. Aarvi is my little ninja. She's probably hiding inside the cupboard again. Oh, thanks, Mom. But Lily, remember, no cheating, okay? I found you, Aarvi! Mom! Lily, since you cheated, your punishment is to find us. Fine. I haven't hidden since I was a kid. This is so fun. Best game ever. 5, 4, 3. Hey, why are you staring like that? Ouch! Why did you step on my foot?
Oh, no!
Excuse me? Why are you pulling my hair? I'm sorry. Hold on. Why did you slam the door in my face? Sorry. Yeah. What's your problem? You just grabbed my back. Chup. You. Excuse me? Yes? You have a booger. What? Booger? Where is? It's on your nose, silly. It's waving at me. Oh, do you have paper to... Here. No, not this paper. Paper to clean my face. Oh, you mean tissue paper. Ah, tissue paper. Ew! People are eating here. Go to the washroom. Ah, okay. Sorry. Disgusting. Excuse me? Can I have a cola, please? Aarvi! Ah! Bad things are coming. Huh? What thing? Buzz! Your hand! What are you doing? I'm saving you. Ah, thank you. Next time say, watch out, a bus is coming. Ah, watch out. Aarvi, cow boom boom. What cow boom boom? Why did you push me like that? Look. Oh, you means be careful. There's cow poop. Ah, yeah, cow poop. You also be careful.
Oh no!
I'm ready to mom. Billy, do you want some? No thanks, I am full. Okay then.
Yummy!
Yummy. Lily, are you sure? Do you want some? No, it's okay. Lily, please stop drooling. Drooling? What's that? When saliva comes out of your mouth, that's called drool. Thank you. Now my drool has stopped. Lily! Excuse me? Yes? Your lipstick is smeared. Thank you. No, not thank you. Smeared means your lips is messy. It's spread outside your lips. Oh. Do you have a face cleaner water one? Oh, wet wipes. Thank you. And wait. What? Your eye is black. Oh no, my mascara ran. New words today. Smeared lipstick and mascara ran. Don't forget to check your makeup. And your English words too.